In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice in QuickBooks Online. Hi everyone. If you're new to invoicing or just need a refresher, this walkthrough will help you create a clean, accurate invoice from start to finish. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Make sure you're in the correct company file so the invoice lands in the right books. Once you're in, look for the Create button, typically at the top of the screen. Click Create, and under the Customers section, choose Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form where you'll enter all the details. Start by adding your customer. Click Add Customer and select the customer from your list. If you maintain detailed customer profiles, QuickBooks will automatically pull in their billing details and terms, which helps prevent mistakes and saves time. Next, review or enter the invoice number. QuickBooks usually auto-numbers invoices in sequence, but this is your chance to confirm it matches your internal numbering system. Then set the invoice date. This should be the date you're issuing the invoice. Right after that, set the due date. If your customer has payment terms, QuickBooks may calculate this automatically. Otherwise, pick the date that aligns with your agreement. Now move to the Product or Service section. Click to select a product or service from your list. Choosing predefined items helps ensure consistent descriptions and rates. In the line details, enter the description, the quantity, and the rate. The description should be clear enough for your customer to understand exactly what they're paying for. Quantity reflects the amount delivered or hours worked, and rate is your price per unit or hour. Take a moment to review the subtotal and the invoice total. Confirm that the math looks right and that any taxes or discounts, if applicable based on your settings, are reflected correctly. It's always worth a second glance to avoid back and forth later. If needed, add a note to customer. This is a great place for brief context, a thank you message, or payment guidance, such as where to send a check or a reminder of your preferred method. If you have supporting files, like a signed estimate, timesheet, or receipt, add attachments so everything your customer needs is in one place. When everything looks good, click Save. This stores the invoice so you can review it later or continue with your normal process. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.